Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a regular subscriber, then you probably noticed the hair is quite different. I haven't filmed any videos since I got it cut, which was just the night before last. And it's very curly, like it's holding curls so well. And the cut is really beautiful. I have to show you guys when it's straight, which I think I might have vlogged that for a minute. But I think I'm gonna wear it straight tomorrow because I think I like it just a little bit better straight. My friend at work, he used to be a hairdresser. He did a beautiful job. It's a really nice cut and my hair is so healthy. Got rid of all the dead ends, but it is quite short for me because my hair was so long, so it's still kind of like, whew, I'm trying to get used to it. So that happened. I also got a beautiful big bag of Gratis, which I'm super excited about. So I'm going to share that with you guys. If you aren't familiar with what Gratis is, it's basically free products that the brand or the company gives you in order for you to test them out, try them, form your own opinion. That way when someone comes in and asks you about them, you kind of know a little bit more than just the details that they give you. So you get like your own personal feedback. I got a lot of skincare, I got a little bit of makeup, I got some really good things. I have to say, this has probably been one of my favorite Gratis hauls, and I've had some good ones. I will say it's been quite a while since I have received anything, so I got a pretty massive amount, at least for me. So this isn't like bragging or anything. A lot of people like to see these videos, so it's just kind of showing you what I got, but it is part of my job to be knowledgeable about these products. So let's dive right in. First I'm going to show you, I'm just going to pull things out at random because there's a lot. I got some Ultra Repair Cream. I got the big jar of that, which I'm pretty excited about because I have been really dry lately, and this you can use on face, you can use on the body, and I really like to put this on my hands as well, but I really like to use extra moisture at night, so this could be a nice layer for me. I also got the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, which is just a good basic cleanser. I'm gotta see how many I have of these because I haven't used it in quite some time. I need to use it and refamiliarize myself with it, but I think I might have a couple, and if so, I will put one in my next giveaway. I have the First Aid Beauty Retinol Serum. It's the 0.25% concentrate. This you kind of pop up, which is really cool. It is a retinol, so it's a nighttime serum. I do have one of these that I got in my previous Gratis haul, so I think I'm going to trade this with one of my friends at work who got a Too Faced Mr. Right brush and a coconut setting spray, but I think I'm going to get the brush. And maybe give him something else for the spray too, because he is really into skincare, so sometimes we trade if it works out for both of us. I got the Boscia Everyday Gel to Mousse Cleanser. So this is a really nice foamy cleanser, good for all skin types, so it's just kind of basic, but I was very interested to try this when it came out because it comes out in kind of like a really foamy mousse kind of consistency, which is really cool, and I do like the brand Boscia. I got the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. Funny thing is, Boscia's products have willow herb in it as well. Willow herb is a great thing if you have breakouts but you want something more natural, because usually they use willow bark or willow herb, and apparently willow herb is stronger. That's what she told us. So yeah, this is like a, I'll show you guys this because it's really cool. This primer foams. So that's what the primer looks like. It's foamy. And I think it would be fun to do a first impression of this. So if you guys have any interest in seeing this in a video, then let me know. I don't know of any other foaming primers. Oh, it smells nice and citrusy too. I don't know of any others, so I think it would be a fun thing to review. Let me know what you think. I got a small size of the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. I got the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. This is, I think, the old packaging, which is probably why they were giving these out, because they've changed the packaging on that, but that's what it looks like. The new packaging is really cute too. I got the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are really good for a light exfoliation, especially if you're sensitive. They're really easy to use. Just pop it out. You just pop one out, kind of massage the face, and you're done. Nice and easy. I got the Tarte Hair Goals Dry Shampoo. I do like this. I went through a full size and I did it in one of my empty videos, and I really did like this. I got the Tarte Guard Tinted Moisturizer. This is in the shade medium. I got a little Sephora unicorn pin. So cute. I need to put that on my tunic, I think. I got the Stila Magnificent Metal Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Pigalle, maybe that's what that's called. So it's like a deeper red. Let's swatch that. Might as well swatch a few things. Ooh! Stila has just really been killing it lately. The glitter and glow, the shimmer and glow, and I have another thing in here. This, oh my god. So this is the new Stila Glitter and Glow highlighter, and I got this shade called Admiral, which is like this really cute light blue turquoise. Oh, I gotta swatch this one for you. I only hope that it does it justice on camera. Oh, I don't think it's doing it justice, but it's got like this light turquoisey kind of color. Not turquoise, what am I trying to say? Mint, like a mint blue green. So pretty. What you can't see on the camera is it's got this crazy like bluish purple kind of shift to it. I got a Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. I got the shade One of the Boys. So this is that like purple. It reminds me of maybe like Blow Pony from Jeffree Star. I think that's the one I'm trying to think of. Maybe. But these do have a really nice consistency. I got the Tarte Clean Queen Vegan Deodorant. I do have a full size of this. I have a tendency to get a little irritated with like a regular run-of-the-mill deodorant, so this one is like aluminum free. I don't think that this one is an antiperspirant either. So no aluminum, and it's hypoallergenic. The Boscia Charcoal Makeup Melter in a small size. So it's a little makeup remover. I have tried this and I do like it. I got a Perricone Super Berry Acai Dietary Supplement. I also got, oh my god, the Too Faced White Peach Palette, which this is a really like special piece of Gratis. This is a really pretty palette. I like the variety in here, and it's maybe just like that purple and those couple of different colors that really make it stand out to me. But I can't wait to use it. If you guys would like to see this in a first impression, then let me know that as well. I also got the Perricone Photoplasma. This is a moisturizer with SPF 30. I also got the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment. So this is exfoliating, balancing, and minimizing pores. So I am definitely going to be loving that in closer to the summertime. I start to get a little bit oilier. As you can see, I'm a little shiny now. Probably from all the makeup and everything, but in the summer I will get a little oily and pores will get a little bit more noticeable. It says it's pH balancing, has salicylic and lactic acid to renew and resurface the appearance of the skin. So I'm really excited to try that. I got a Dior liquid lip. This is in the shade 625 Mysterious Matte. So let's swatch that as well. That's a pretty color. So that's Mysterious Matte from Dior. I like that color already. I got a Tarte blush in the shade Insightful. I won't swatch this because I'm not sure if I have it or not, but that's what it looks like. If I have it, of course, this will go in my next giveaway. I also got the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is the base for eyes and lips. So excited to try this because I have been struggling lately with finding a really good eye primer. It seems like lately I've been creasing a lot and it just doesn't wear as beautifully. And I'm trying to figure out like what I'm doing different. So I've been going through like all my different eye primers and trying them out to see what is really my favorite of what I have or if I need to try something new. I also got a Tarte Glossy Lip Paint. I don't know. Goals, I guess, is the color of that one. Which I haven't really tried any of their glossy lip paints. I'll swatch that one. So it's got a nice pigment to it. That's Goals right there. That's a pretty one. Just a little baby. A Urban Decay eyeshadow in the shade Hijack. And I don't think I have this shade. I'm pretty sure. So let's swatch that. Muted blue-green. It's cute though. I am very excited with everything that I got. I love that brands give us an opportunity to try things. That Stila has dried down really, really nicely. I love how the Stila, like that glitter is pretty glittery, but it's staying in place. Like I can move my hand, do all of that, and it's not like completely falling off. So that's everything I got in my Gratis for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. If there's anything that you'd like for me to try in a video, whether it be a tutorial or just a first impression, or you want to see a look with it, then definitely let me know. Or if you have any questions about anything that I got, I would love to hear from you guys. So I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!